The Bosom 4-station drilling machine is designed for high-speed drilling machine for processing circular flange workpieces, 2 workstations for cyclic processing before and after equipment processing without stopping. The equipment mainly includes 4 sets of hydraulic for jaws self-centering chucks on the bed workbench, lubrication and protection device for mobile gantry drilling power head, composition of digital electrical system for circulating cooling device. The 4 chucks are equipped with their own foot pedals, which are independent of each other and do not affect each other, suitable for automotive half-shaft flanges, automotive brake discs, etc. The thickness of the disc type ring is within the effective range of the workpiece. Efficient drilling or tapping or rearming or milling and other processing techniques. The digital control operation during machine tool processing is very convenient. The equipment is equipped with 4 independent workstations front and rear. Remove the previously processed workpiece. Reinstall the unprocessed workpiece again. Step on the foot pedal. Automatic locking of for jaw hydraulic chucks. Circular loading and unloading saves a lot of time and cost. The efficiency of this device is greater than 4 workers and 4 rocker drills. Examples of 4-station drilling. Example 4-station tapping. Example 4's taction drilling.